I'm Dale from Bike Seal Auto Seal. Bike Seal and Auto Seal. Two separate companies, exactly the same product, it's just a different delivery system and quantities for different vehicles. Bikes are motorbikes and push bikes. Auto Seal is cars, vans, trailers, caravans, etc, etc. As I said, good evening. What I'm here tonight, very briefly, is to have to show you something, to demonstrate something else to you. You have all seen me put in spikes into my motorbike tyres and also my Range Rover tyre here. You've also seen me do a demonstration with a naked inner tubes and puncturing them in front of audiences, etc. 15mm for my bike and also my Range Rover tyres, and it seals it generally within, we say 2 to 3 revolutions, but generally within half a revolution. You've seen that time and time again. So I'm not going to bore you, okay? 4, 6 and 15mm. Time and time again we've seen that. However, what about if we were to physically drill the tyre? The question's been posed several times. Physically drilling removes a core from the rubber, so it's going to be that much more difficult to plug, okay? Non-chemical product, okay? It's designed to be in your tyre. Aramid fibres and filler particles plug the punctures. So let's see. Here I have another tyre, another Range Rover tyre, that I have physically, would you like to come in and see this? Physically pre-drilled several holes, okay? 3mm, 4mm, 6mm and a couple of other 5 and 6mm punctures. These are physically drilled, and you can see there are no leaks on this tyre, no air leaks. However, for the doubting Thomas, would you like me to physically drill in there with a 6mm drill bit for you to see? Don't care whether you want me to, I'm going to. Here we are, little drill, battery's nearly out, 6mm drill bit, and we'll find a nice clean area there, not pre-drilled, and drill straight in there, 6mm. So we can hear it going through the steel belting, okay? And then pull it out, we can hear the gas, okay? There we are. As soon as I've turned it, and bearing in mind you're driving along as like that normally, as soon as I've turned it, you heard the gas leak stop. It sealed it that quickly. Okay, where is it? What have we seen? Clean this off again so you can see it better. So there were my 3, 4, 5 and 2 6mm punctures as ringed, and here's the one that is not ringed. Can we see this? No bubbles. No bubbles. Okay, that is it plugged. Now, the other thing is, for those people that don't trust me, let me take this drill bit off and out, and you may be able to see the sizing on the drill bit. It'll say 6.0. I don't know whether you can see that or not. That should be you. Right, back off please. Okay, there you go. Proof. This is never going to be as effective as your 15mm. I could never drill 15mm, but if we can drill up to 6mm, that's got to be effective for you and me and our motorbikes and the cars and everything else. Physical proof. 15mm spikes, 6mm drill bits. You've seen it.